Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in the essentials: HTML and CSS for structure and visuals, plus a simple editor and Git for tracking changes. Start small. Build a single responsive page so you learn how browsers render code and why accessibility matters. Once done, push that project to GitHub so you can show work. Make sure to write clear commits. This early habit accelerates learning and prevents messy code later. So treat it as foundational practice you repeat weekly. You now expand into JavaScript to add interactivity and dynamic data handling. Focus on DOM manipulation, events, and fetch so you understand user flows and APIs. Then choose one framework like React to organize larger apps. Build a to-do, a weather app, and a small CRUD site to cement patterns. Alongside, learn to debug, write simple tests, and optimize for performance. These skills explain why apps break and how to prevent it. Once confident, document your code and iterate. You finish by packaging your skills into a clear portfolio with live demos, concise project write-ups, and source links. This shows hiring managers how you think and what you built. Then apply broadly. Tailor resumes, send personalized messages, and follow up weekly to increase chances. If things go wrong, log reproducible steps, isolate the problem, and ask focused questions in communities. Rubber ducking helps reveal mistakes. Make sure to learn from rejections and iterate on projects and applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.